I am often asked why our team name is not named after me. The reason is very simple. Every team member is every bit as important, if not more, than the team leader. The Star Home team is a collaborative real estate team that operates seamlessly as a dynamic ensemble. We combine diverse expertise and skill sets to orchestrate flawless property transactions. Each team member, from seasoned agents to tech-savvy marketers and detail-oriented administrators, they bring a unique perspective that contributes to a comprehensive and very effective approach. By harnessing the collective knowledge, the Star Home team leverages advanced marketing insights, innovative marketing strategies, and personalized client services to navigate the intricate landscape of real estate, ensuring optimal results and client satisfaction. Through constant communication, mutual support, and shared commitment to excellence, our collaborative team sets a new standard for achieving success in the ever-evolving field of real estate. If you need some help, you can trust every one of our team members. Give us a call today.